Alrighty, we're here in Punta Gorda, Florida, which is a unique city in that they are one that owns and maintains the seawalls. They have approximately 90 miles worth of seawalls that they own and maintain, and we're here to help them out in assessing all the seawall damage within the Punta Gorda harbor area. Ongoing, we've been doing these inspections for probably a good 30 days. For the last month, we've had a team of individuals focused on working with the applicant representative to go and visit all of these 900 sites, document the damages and the repairs that would be needed to fix them. We're here at the Punta Gorda Public Works facility, and you can see that of all the damage that we looked at earlier, these are freshly poured seawall panels. They manufacture the panels themselves primarily for quality control reasons. All the inspections have been completed. Approximately 13 miles worth of seawalls will need to be replaced, and this is the first section of work that's being done. As you can see in the background, seawall panels being replaced. Project-wise, they're estimating this to be about an 18-month to 2-year process.